Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make this amazing ginger tea. This tea is literally a lifesaver for me, and it boosts your immune system and it detoxes your body. Whenever I feel like I'm getting cold or flu symptoms or sore throat, I immediately quickly drink this and it just takes it away ASAP, and it basically just eradicates all the bad bacteria in your system as it detoxes your body. And I just love this. I make it for my two little boys all the time and I just swear by it. Ginger is so good for the whole body. It can aid in digestion. I just love giving it to my two little boys. Whenever I suspect that they're feeling under the weather, I just quickly make this and straight away it boosts up their immune system and it prevents them from getting any cold or flu. Also guys, if you're watching, please hit that subscribe button as it helps me so much and it helps me to create more content and I really appreciate it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my piece of ginger. I buy organic ginger from my local organic shop. I'm just going to cut it and then scrape the skin off with my little peeler. I'm now taking my little grater and I'm going to grate the ginger like so. I don't grate all of the ginger as I like to leave a lump of ginger as well, just to infuse the water more. I'm now going to add it to my green pan and I'm going to just place the ginger inside like so. I'm now taking my favourite mug ever, which is a Moana Disney mug, and I'm quite sad actually because I recently just smashed it, so it's really rather sad watching this video. And I'm just taking a cup of water. This is how I measure how much tea I'm going to be making, and today I'm going to make 2 cups, one for me and then one divided by my 2 little sunshines. It's really up to you how strong or diluted you want to make your ginger tea. The stronger the tea, the more it boosts your immunity, although when it's really strong it can burn a tad, but I like to view it as it detoxing my body, so I don't really mind. You get used to the burn. And now I've just put it on the hob and I put it straight onto high to bring it to boiling point. By the way, I'm using spring water, I forgot to say. As always, I always use spring water, it's the only water I use. Now that we've brought it to boiling point, I'm just going to quickly take it off, or sometimes I let it sit on simmer just for like a minute or 2. And now I'm going to pour it into my little jug. Now that I removed it from the heat, as you can see, the water has turned like a yellowish pea-like colour. That's a sign that it's turned into ginger tea and it's infused with ginger. So as you can see, I've turned spring water into ginger infused tea. Yay! I'm now just going to take my little strainer and strain it through into my mug. This is to avoid any of the lumps and the pieces of ginger going into my tea. I'm just doing the same thing with the second mug as well. I like to store the leftover ginger in this small little container inside my fridge. So the next time I want to make ginger tea or I want to use ginger in a recipe, it's really simple and easy as it's already peeled and grated and ready to use basically. And I just store this in the fridge like so. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make it. It's really simple and easy to create, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope that you try to make it, especially for your friends, family and loved ones. And I'm also going to show you a quick clip of my two little angels drinking their ginger tea. They just mean the world to me and I'm so proud of them. And here you go, here they are, my little heartbeats. Take a drink of your ginger tea.
Okay.
Now, say hello.
Hello.
Is it yummy? Okay, now. Nice? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Have anything to say?
It's nice.
Oh, that's good. How about you?
Delicious. I like it how much.
Oh,
It tastes very gingery.
Taste.
It tastes tantalizing.
And how are the waffles?
They're also very good. Very delicious and good.
So just don't judge the mess, please. I feel like it's reality when you're like a mum of two, so yeah, don't judge me, guys. Thank you. And I really also, guys, if you do try to create this ginger tea, please leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know how it works for you guys. Love you. Hi guys.